He had the power to help, but chose pride instead. Nabal, a wealthy landowner, lived in comfort while others struggled to survive. When David, the future king of Israel, humbly asked for food for his weary men who had protected Nabal's shepherds and property, Nabal responded with arrogance and cruelty. He mocked David, questioned his worth, and refused to share even a crumb. David wasn't a stranger or a threat. He and his men had been living in the wilderness, running from the jealous wrath of King Saul. They had acted honorably, never stealing or harming Nabal's men, even though they easily could have. Instead of gratitude, Nabal offered scorn. His selfishness became a symbol of pride unchecked. But in this moment of rising tension, Nabal's wife, Abigail, acted with courage and wisdom. She gathered food and supplies, went to David, and interceded with humility. Her compassion stopped bloodshed and saved her household. Nabal's story is a warning. When we ignore others' needs to protect our own comfort, we risk more than we know. Selfishness isolates, compassion saves. Choose to be like Abigail, someone who acts, who gives, who sees others not as burdens, but as blessings waiting to be lifted.